If you're on the hunt for a cookware set that combines style, functionality, and health-conscious features, look no further than this Gotham Steel 18 pieces removable handle pots and pans set. This comprehensive set is more than just a collection of pots and pans. It's a transformative kitchen companion designed to elevate your cooking experience. From its aesthetic appeal to its practical features, this set has captured the hearts of home cooks and professional chefs alike. Overview: a perfect blend of style and functionality. The Gotham Steel cookware set comes in a stunning pink color, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. However, this set isn't just about looks. Featuring a non-toxic ceramic coating that ensures safe and healthy cooking, it's a practical choice for anyone who values both form and function. The non-stick surface is 2x more durable than previous models, offering exceptional performance and longevity. Additionally, the removable handle design enhances versatility and storage convenience, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven or table. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or hosting a dinner party, this set ensures you're equipped for any culinary adventure. Features that set Gotham Steel apart. 1. Non-toxic ceramic coating. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that this cookware set is made without harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFS, PFAS, PFTE, lead, or cadmium. This ensures every meal you prepare is safe for you and your family. 2. Non-stick surface. The non-stick ceramic surface is a game changer. It allows food to slide right off, reducing the need for oil or butter and promoting healthier cooking. Whether you're frying eggs or sautéing vegetables, cleanup is a breeze. 3. Durable and dishwasher safe. Say goodbye to the hassle of hand washing. The stain and scratch resistant ceramic coating can handle even the toughest messes. Once you're done cooking, simply toss the pots and pans into the dishwasher. 4. Removable handles. This feature is perfect for those who love flexibility in the kitchen. The removable handles allow you to use the pots and pans in the oven, store them easily, or even serve directly at the table. 5. Oven safe. Up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake, broil, or roast to your heart's content. This set is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for a variety of cooking techniques. 6. Ergonomic stay cool handles. The gold tone ergonomic handles are not only visually appealing but also practical. They stay cool to the touch, ensuring safe and comfortable handling during cooking. 7. Compatible with multiple stovetops. This cookware set works on gas, electric, ceramic, and halogen stovetops. While most pieces are compatible with induction ovens, it's worth noting that the stock pot is not. Why choose Gotham Steel? 1. Healthy cooking made easy. Cooking with Gotham Steel means healthier meals. The non-toxic coating and non-stick surface reduce the need for excessive fats, oils, or sprays. 2. Sleek and modern aesthetic. The pink finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Whether you're hosting guests or posting on social media, this cookware set is picture perfect. 3. Practical for every cook. From beginner cooks to seasoned professionals, this set offers something for everyone. It's also a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, weddings, or anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. Double durability. The non-stick coating lasts longer than ever, saving you money in the long run. Easy cleanup. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Health-conscious design. Free of harmful chemicals, ensuring safety for the entire family. Space-saving innovation. Removable handles make storage effortless. Guaranteed longevity. A 10-year promise ensures your investment is protected. Who is this cookware set for? Whether you're a busy parent, a culinary enthusiast, or someone furnishing their first home, this cookware set caters to diverse needs. Its lightweight yet sturdy design is perfect for daily use, and its eye-catching pink finish makes it a fantastic gift option. Final thoughts. This Gotham Steel 18 pieces removable handle pots and pans set is more than just cookware. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Its blend of practicality, durability, and style ensures that you'll not only enjoy cooking, but also impress your guests. From the health benefits of non-toxic materials to the convenience of removable handles, this set checks all the boxes. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how this cookware set can transform your kitchen experience. Don't wait. Upgrade your cookware today and start creating healthier, tastier meals with ease. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.